Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can change country or region in iPhone. So let's go to you have to go first App Store. Then you have to click on the top right corner the person icon. Then click on your name or iCloud name. Then you will find country region. Just click on this. Sometimes you may need to put your verification or face ID. Okay, so you can see here change country or region. Just click on this and choose your country. Like I'm choosing this one. So after choosing, you have to agree with these terms and conditions. Just agree. Then you have to put a random. You can put your Visa card or debit card here, but it's not mandatory. What is mandatory is the billing address. You can write here any address you want. And click on next. Okay, you can choose it none if you don't want to use cards. Then click on next. Okay, if you click on done, then postcode is invalid, so I'm choosing a different type of postcode. So you can find a postcode by going here, postcode of UK. This one can be. So here you can paste it. And then done. Next. Okay, postcode is wrong. Here's one postcode you can copy, then go back to postcode option and you can paste it here. Done. Next. You're all set. Your country has changed. Okay guys, so this is how you can change country in iPhone. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.